Yo, it's Slippery Dad here, and this is parts of your brain and how they work. The medulla, it's in your spinal cord, girl, and it helps transfer information between your brain and your spinal cord. And it also helps regulate blood pressure and breathing. And your pons is basically your bridge between the upper and lower parts of your brain, so they can communicate between themselves. Your hypothalamus is right here. And it's what makes you hungry, and it's what makes you thirsty, because I know you guys is thirsty. It's also what helps maintain your body temperature, unless you do one of those hots. Unless you do too hot, and then they can't control nothing. Your thalamus tells the other parts of the brain things that happen to you, accordingly to what happened to you, to the parts of the brain. It's here. The cerebellum here helps for movement and balance. Your optic tectum is right in here. It's your eyes, boy. And it's the stuff behind your eyes that make your eyes work in your brain. It's here. Here is the one and only cerebral cortex. It's responsible for your thoughts and the five senses, the use of the five senses in the four lobes. Boy, 4 lobes. You want to hear about them? I'm going to tell you about them, boy. First, there's your frontal lobe. It carries out actions such as thought, decision making, and planning. So basically nothing that I really use, but it's there. Your parietal lobe processes taste, temperature, and touch. Your temporal lobe processes sounds and noises. And your occipital lobe lets you see. Your hippocampus is responsible. Oh, by the way, your hippocampus is right over here. Your hippocampus is responsible for long-term memory and emotional responses. You know, when you think about that time back in first grade, that's your hippocampus. Your basal ganglia is a group of subcortical nuclei responsible for motor control, like this. Motor control. Yeah. Your olfactory bulb processes the smells. So without this, you ain't been smelling no nothing. You ain't smelling nothing without these. So be thankful you have one, so you smelling something. Your brainstem is basically how your brain slips into that body's DMs and vice versa. So your brain is able to talk to your body, and your body is able to talk through your brain, through your brainstem. And your brainstem, he also on that straight hustle. He ain't doing one thing. He's making money in everywhere. He also does most of your involuntary actions, like, you know, breathing. The amygdala over here is responsible for the response and memory of emotions, especially fear. Your spinal cord is the pathway of information between here and here. So you best be thinking about that next time you eat, a nice warm Sammy, and it's in your stomach, and you're all yummy yummy. So that was our lesson on parts of the brain and what they do for you. I hope that you guys will start to do this in your daily lives. I hope you'll start using your brains more, because they're there for you. They're looking out for you, fam, and you better look for them back. Okay, well, Slip Dad sliding out. Ha ha ha. And I hope to catch you on the slip side.